Hello everyone, this is my fourth video in this topic, that is balancing redox reactions by ion-electron method. So in example number 4 we will discuss with a reaction KMnO4 plus MnSO4 plus H2O giving MnO2 plus K2SO4 plus H2SO4. So as you can see, H2SO4 is present, so the reaction is in the acidic medium, so we can use H plus and H2O only, not any OH minus ions for balancing the half reactions. Anyway, this reaction is an interesting one because you see here KMnO4, that is K plus MnO4 minus permanganate ion is going to MnO2, and also here Mn2 plus SO4 2 minus Mn2 plus is also going to MnO2, means permanganate and Mn2 plus both are converting into one species, that is MnO2. This is called comproportionation redox reaction. Hope you understand what is comproportionation and disproportionation redox reaction, or I can discuss in very short. You see here permanganate MnO4 minus, the manganese in plus 7 oxidation state, and in MnSO4 manganese in plus 2 oxidation state. Okay, but in MnO2 if we give 2 negative charge for each oxide ion, then manganese will be in plus 4 oxidation state. So plus 7 and plus 2 are combining to give a oxidation state in between them. So this type of redox reaction is called comproportionation redox reaction. If the reverse reaction occurs, then it is called disproportionation redox reaction. Maybe I will make one video about this topic. Anyway, our topic is here balancing the reaction, so let's concentrate on this. So if we write the reaction in ionic form, this will give MnO4 minus plus Mn2 plus, both are going to MnO2. Please remember one thing, the MnO2 is a covalent compound, so you should not write as Mn4 plus, you should write as it is, means you should not write like this. MnO4 is a ionic compound, MnSO4 is a ionic compound, so we can write it as MnO4 minus for permanganate and manganese ion as Mn2 plus, but for MnO2 it should be written as it is, means as MnO2, because it is a covalent compound. Okay, so let's balance the first process, that is MnO4 minus is going to MnO2. So MnO4 minus going to MnO2. Manganese is balanced, one manganese, but here 4 oxygen, here it is 2 oxygen. So for balancing that, we need to add 2 water molecule at the right hand side. Okay, now oxygen is balanced, but there are 4 extra hydrogens are added in the right hand side, so we need to add 4 H plus ions here to balance the hydrogen atom. Now everything is balanced here, then we can concentrate on the charge. Here you see 1 negative charge and 4 positive charge, means overall there are 3 positive charge, but in the right hand side there is no charge, so we have to neutralize this adding 3 electron. Okay, now everything is balanced, atoms and also the charge. Now the second process, that is Mn2 plus is going to MnO2. Here you see manganese is balanced, but 2 oxygens are extra in the right hand side, so we have to add 2 water molecule at the left hand side. Okay, as I said in my earlier videos, there are some rules why I am adding water and electrons on those. You can check any standard textbook, or you just follow my videos, you will get those points easily. Okay, so when extra oxygens are there at the one side, you have to add that number of water molecules on the opposite side. So here 2 oxygen atoms are extra in the right hand side, so I have added 2 water molecules at the left hand side. Again the same thing, here 4 extra hydrogens are there, so we have to add 4 H plus ions at the right hand side to balance the number of hydrogen atoms. Now manganese balanced, 2 oxygen and 4 hydrogen, everything is balanced. But here you see 4 positive charge at the right hand side and 2 positive charge in the left hand side. So we have to make 4 positive charge in the left hand side. How we can make? We will subtract 2 electrons. This will make 4 positive charge at the right hand side as well, and that will be balanced with the right hand side. Now the half reactions are balanced. As I said earlier, that if any electrons are added in the left hand side, this will be a reduction half reaction, and this one in which electrons are subtracted at the left hand side, it will be oxidation half reaction. So now we need to combine these 2 half reactions to get the overall balanced redox reaction. So what we will do, we will multiply this reaction, this reduction half reaction, we can number it as 1 or this one is 2. So number 1 reaction, that is the reduction half reaction, we will multiply with 2. Why? This in the oxidation half reaction, the coefficient of the number of electrons is 2, and here number of electrons are 3. So we will multiply this one with 2 and this one with 3, and when we will add them, then there will be no electron left in the overall redox reaction. So what we are doing, number 1 into 2 plus number 2 into 3. Okay, then it will give 2 MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 6 electron, giving 2 MnO2 plus 4 H2O, and this one will give 3 Mn2 plus 6 H2O minus 6 electron, giving 3 MnO2 plus 12 H plus. Okay, now add them. This will cancel out, so it will give 2 MnO4 minus plus 3 Mn2 plus 6 H2O. Here you see we will get 8 H plus ions at the left hand side, but at the right hand side 12 H plus ions are there. So we will not write any H plus ions at the left hand side. The remaining 4 H plus ions will be written in the right hand side. So this will give 2 MnO2 plus 2 and 3 means this will give 5 MnO2. Okay, here 4H2 is there and the left hand side it's 6, so it will give overall only 2 H2O molecules at the left hand side, and as I said, for the H plus this will give 4 H plus ions at the right hand side. Okay, this is the balanced redox reaction in the ionic form, but we have to convert this in the molecular form, as we have already done for the other cases in my earlier videos. So let's wipe out this portion. convert the ionic form into molecular form. So permanganate ion was coming from KMnO4 and the coefficient is 2, so it will be 2 KMnO4 plus 3 MnSO4, as the coefficient is 3 and Mn2 plus was coming from MnSO4, so it will be 3 MnSO4 plus 2 H2O giving 5 MnO2 plus 4H plus. 4H plus means here H plus is coming actually from H2SO4 and each of the H2SO4 molecule need 2 H plus, so it will be 2 H2SO4. Okay, but you see here 2 K plus ions are there in the left hand side, which is not there in the right hand side. And also sulphate ion, here you see 3 sulphates are there, but here only 2 sulphates, so we have to add 1 K2SO4 molecule at the right hand side. As I said in my third video that you can check the given reaction, here K2SO4 is there, which is not there in the balanced reaction. So for balancing K plus and sulphate ion, we need to add 1 K2SO4 molecule at the right hand side. So 1 extra K2SO4 molecule is added at the right hand side. Now you check everything is balanced or not. Here 2K, that is already K2 is there, so balanced. Now manganese, 2 manganese, 3 manganese means 5 manganese, 5 manganese is there. 3 sulphate, already I have discussed, 2 sulphate and 1 sulphate, 3 sulphates are there, and 4H plus is here, 4H plus. So everything is balanced now, and as everything is balanced, you can remove this arrow sign and place a equal sign. Okay, this is the balanced redox reaction of the given reaction. I hope you understood how we can balance these reactions. I will make more such videos. I will make next video in the alkaline medium because 2 were in the neutral medium, now 2 are in acidic medium. Next 2 videos will be in the alkaline medium, and after that I will make more videos if there are some different problems are there. As I said in my earlier videos, if you are a student especially, then you can subscribe my channel to get those videos immediately. That's all for this video. Thank you all for watching my videos.